My journey has not always been easy. Growing up, I experienced challenges that shaped my resilience and taught me the values of compassion, hope, and perseverance. These experiences inspired me to create safe spaces where people can heal, grow, and discover their potential. Dumelang Botswana. My name is Ontiretse Mbaya. I'm 26 years old and I originate from a beautiful village called Sebina. I hold a degree in B.Ed counseling from the University of Botswana. I'm a mental health advocate and a self-growth and development coach who founded an organization called Radiating Resilience that focuses on empowering young people through mental health advocacy. I believe true beauty is found in service, authenticity, and the courage to uplift others. Wherever I go, I strive to leave people feeling seen, heard, and inspired. As an aspiring Miss Universe Botswana 2027, I want to use this platform to champion mental health in Botswana and bring about transformational change in our communities. I want to empower every Botswana through education, mentorship, and advocacy. I want every one of us to know that asking for help is not weakness, but strength. What makes my story unique is that I transformed my own experiences into a mission of service. I did not allow my own circumstances to define me, but rather they became the reason why I chose to serve. Whether I'm in a classroom teaching or simply leading a community initiative, my mission remains the same: to bring about positive change and inspire resilience, and represent Botswana with confidence, compassion, and excellence. Thank you.